Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to produce a ternary image of radiometric data. We have both the red given to the potassium concentration, the green to thorium, and then that of the U to uranium, the blue to the uranium. Is very important maps that show the relative concentration with one with respect to others. Is the RGB color, which is very important. As we can see, which is the second part of the radiometric, that is a ternary map, which is very important. And this is a color triangle. You have to remember the RGB, that is the red. Of when they have equal concentration, you have yellow. This around cyan or purple or cyan color. This is purple between this and this. So when you have white, that is of equal high concentrations. When you have yellow, it's mostly what we thorium. And this one you have purple colors, and this is mostly when you have red. That's when you attach to potassium. That means potassium hydrothermal alteration zones, which are very important when we combine them, because if we look here, this is what we see, the ternary image. The white area indicates a high concentration of the three radio elements, which are contribution from porphyric, granite, and this. So this is the interpretation for that. When we have a black area, coloration, there is absence of all those ones, show a level of sedimentary and that of low-grade metamorphic rocks. The high concentration zones are potential target for radiothermal mineralization. Those have the high white, and that of the red, high color red, as a result of the potassic hydrothermal alteration zones. And this is how to interpret those ternary image, which is very important. So we're going to see how do we produce it in the OIAS montage. Make sure that we have produced this map, and produce the ratio, and this is the last step that you're going to do. First of all, we open the potassium. Any of them we can use that will come to map, new, select grade, we select the potassium or anyone, then okay. Next, and now we call it the ternary map. Then click scale, then finish, and go to map tools, the base map. In this time around, I'll give it 6. The left I'll give it 2 because of the scale of the triangle we have, because of this size, that's why I increase. Then click next. Already geographic, next. Then this is the ternary map. With the ternary map, hit finish. Then this is what we have. The next is to bring in the ternary map. Then I'll go to map tools. See under the ternary image, you can see it. Then you have 2 mode of the color. This is cyan, magnet, and yellow. But what we need is the RGB. Constellation, then the red, cyan. Since we are using RGB, we use the red. This green, this blue. If you are using cyan, we use cyan, this and this for the red channel. As you can see, the red channel, the red color part, we give it potassium. Uranium is blue, thorium is green. Red is potassium, green is thorium, and blue is uranium. Let's cross check. Uranium is blue. Uranium is blue, that's all what you need. Thorium and the rest green, and this. And click current map. Click on current map. This is what we have, you can see it. You see, when you open all your other grades, they have been changed. If you open this back, you see it has been discolorized. Because we are tired, that's why it's important that this will be the last step you do. Before you do, the last step you should do. Then from this, let's bring the color triangle. Go to map tools, the ternary legend. Then what label do we need to give? That is this label that we need to give here. So in bracket, I can put in bracket percentage. In thorium, I'll click space, part per million. The other one, click space, part per million. So this is what we have. Then leave the size as this. Click OK. Click OK. Click anywhere. Then you have placed. Then click on this. Click on this to size it. And now position anywhere you want it. So this, you can see, this is what we have as our image. So now we need to go back to this plus, ArcGIS save current, then ternary image, and go to our map. You can see it there. This is where we save it. Then click OK. Let it be saved. Now let's cross check whether it has saved actually under the maps. Of course, it 1, 2, 3, 4. We have all the maps are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maps of the radiometric. Then come here, close all. No. All. Then if we go, let's minimize this one, go to the ternary map. Now what we need to do is to export only this ternary image. We don't need the other parts. Then how do we achieve that? We don't need the other part. So we first position our mouse pointer here, right click, toggle group mode, then move this one a bit. See, this is the grid. You see, this is the grid. You can off it, you can open it. So you select it. See, it's selected. Then you go to map, then export. Make sure you select selection. It's very important. You're always selecting the part selected. Then GeoTIFF 100, you can leave it, or if you like, you can increase it to 150 to increase the resolution, but the size will increase 1 megabyte. Selection is very important, and click OK. They'll go back a 1 minute, they'll go to the raster images. Now we say the ternary image. Okay, then you click on save. So save it. Then when you click on this, then you click on this plus back, you are back there. Now let's open that folder we have on our main folder. We see, click here, right click, view extra large. You see them. So we have all what we need. The ternary is there, the potassium ratio is there, this is this, and this is that, because this is mostly what we need. Our work, the ternary, potassium, this, especially these two, is what we need in this at least to identify some of the anomalies. This ternary map, and this is what we need, how to create all those map of these potassium, thorium, and uranium, and how to get a ternary map, how to create the map, how to export is at the GeoTIFF. And that is all what we have, how to create the ternary map. Then here we can close window, close all. As you can see now, we have through with all what we have for the radiometrics as far as montage is concerned. So here we can go on this file, project, save, then file, then we close it now, and that's all.